Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which statement is correct regarding ACLs and TCAM usage? Option A. Applying an ACL to a group of ports consumes the same resources as specific ACE entries. Option B. Using object groups consumes the same resources as specific ACE entries. Option C. Compression is automatically enabled for ASIC TCAMs on AOS-CX switches. Option D. Applying an ACL to a group of VLANs consumes the same resources as specific ACE entries. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Using object groups consumes the same resources as specific ACE entries. Question 2. What is correct regarding rate limiting and egress queue shaping on AOS-CX switches? Option A. Only a traffic rate and burst size can be defined for a queue. Option B. Limits can be defined only for broadcast and multicast traffic. Option C. Rate limiting and egress queue shaping can be used to restrict inbound traffic. Option D. Rate limiting and egress queue shaping can be applied globally. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Only a traffic rate and burst size can be defined for a queue. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.